வணக்கம், வெல்கம் டு அவர் சேனல். 10th Standard Science, 1 mark question and answers, Lesson 8, Periodic Classification of Elements. Choose the best answer. The number of periods and groups in the periodic table are. Answer option D 7,18. 7,18. The basis of modern periodic law is. Answer option A atomic number. Atomic number. Dash group contains the number of halogen family. Answer option A 17th group. 17th group. Dash is a relative periodic property. Answer option D electronegativity. Electronegativity. Chemical formula of rust is. Answer option C Fe2O3 XH2O. Fe2O3 XH2O. In the aluminothermic process, the role of aluminum is. Answer option B reducing agent. Reducing agent. The process of coating the surface of metal with a thin layer of zinc is called. Answer option C galvanization. Galvanization. Which of the following have inert gases 2 electrons in the outermost cell? Answer option A Hg helium. Hg helium. Neon shows 0 electron affinity due to dash. Answer option B stable configuration of electrons. Stable configuration of electrons. Dash is an important metal to form amalgam. Answer option B Hg. Hg. Mercury is an important metal to form amalgam. Fill in the blanks. If the electronegativity difference between two bonded atoms in a molecule is greater than 1.7, the nature of bonding is. Answer ionic. Ionic. Dash is the longest period in the periodic table. Answer 6th period. 6th period. Dash forms the basis of modern periodic table. Answer atomic number. Atomic number. If the distance between two Cl atoms in Cl2 molecule is 1.98 Armstrong, then the radius of Cl atom is dash. Answer 0.99 Armstrong. 0.99 Armstrong. Among the given species A minus, A plus and A, the smallest one in size is dash. Answer A plus. A plus. The scientist who propounded the modern periodic law is dash. Answer Henry Moseley. Henry Moseley. Across the period, ionic radii dash. Answer decreases. Decreases. Dash and dash are called inner transition elements. Lanthanides and actinides. Answer lanthanides and actinides. The chief ore of aluminium is dash. Answer bauxite. Bauxite. The chemical name of rust is dash. Answer hydrated ferric oxide. Hydrated ferric oxide. Match the following. Column A and column B are given. In column A, questions are given and column B, answers are shuffled. In column A, galvanization, calcination, redox reaction, Tyndall filling, group 8 elements are given. We have to match the correct answer for the questions. Let us see the answer. Galvanization, coating with zinc. Galvanization, coating with zinc. Calcination, heating in the absence of air. Calcination, heating in the absence of air. Redox reaction, aluminothermic process. Redox reaction, aluminothermic process. Tyndall filling, silver tin amalgam. Silver tin amalgam. Group 18 elements. Noble gas elements. Group 18 elements. Noble gas elements. True or false? If false, give the correct statement. Moseley's periodic table is based on atomic mass. Answer false. Not atomic mass, atomic number. Moseley's periodic table is based on atomic number. This is the correct statement. Ionic radius increases across the period from left to right. Answer false. Not increases, it is decreases. Correct statement is ionic radius decreases across the period from left to right. All ores are minerals, but all minerals cannot be called as ores. Answer true. True. All wires are used as electric cables due to their silvery white color. Answer false. The correct statement is all wires are used as electric cables as they are good conductor of electricity. As they are good conductor of electricity. An alloy is a heterogeneous mixture of metals. Answer false. not heterogeneous, homogeneous. The correct statement is an alloy is a homogeneous mixture of metals. Homogeneous. Assertion and reason type questions. Mark the choice as A and R are correct or explains the A. Option B, A is correct or is wrong. Option C, is A is wrong or is correct. Option D, A and R are correct or does not explains A. Question number 1. Assertion. The nature of bond in HF molecule is ionic. Reason. The electronegativity difference between H and F is 1.9. Here, assertion is correct and reason is also correct. Reason explains assertion. So here answer is option A. A and R are correct or explains the A. Second question, assertion. Magnesium is used to protect steel from rusting. Reason. Magnesium is more reactive than iron. Here, assertion is wrong. Reason is correct. So, here answer is option C. A is wrong or is correct. Third question. Assertion. An unclean copper vessel is covered with greenish layer. Reason. Copper is not attacked by alkali. Here, assertion is correct, reason is also correct, but reason does not explain assertion. So here answer is option D. A and R are correct or does not explain A. Thank you.